Pavillion!
Yeah,
welcome,
where we
welcome.
introduce some delicious Korean seafood, and this is Gina Kim, and
This is Jenny Lee from Jada Live. Nice to meet you guys.
today we brought some seaweed.
I know. So who likes seaweed? Do you guys like seaweed? Well, Gina, do you like seaweed?
Of course,
Oh,
I
okay.
like seaweed. I think all Koreans love seaweed. I think this one is not just seaweed.
What is it then?
This one is delicious seasoned seaweed.
Oh, wow.
Everyone.
Wow.
Yeah, so it's like seasoned. So it's not like sea salt, that like salty type, but it's more like sweet, very sweet.
You guys, when you finish a dish, like you put garnish on top, right? So in Koreans, we put like these seaweed flakes, seaweed garnish on top of the dishes, and it's called crispy seaweed garnish. What about we show?
Yes, right.
Let's do it.
Oh my god, it looks amazing.
Wow. Pour it, pour. Oh, wow.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. It's like the seaweed mountain.
And it seems he's very happy because he's eating this
I
one.
know. He looks like a happy fella, right? He looks pretty
Yeah.
happy. Let's do it. It's just a garnish.
Be
Okay.
careful,
Okay, I
Jenny,
love
Jenny,
it.
Jenny. Okay, so this one I can tell that there is like sesame seed, and also this one is more like wrinkly.
Exactly, like crumbled up. This one on this side, you can see, I'm not sure if you can really tell, but this is like thin as paper. Oh, see, it's like very, very thin. But do you want to hold that up too? Like it's pretty crumbled up. Oh, see, it's like all crumbled up into one, and then this is like paper thin flakes. So there's a whole difference. Let's do a taste. It's good?
It's salty, but it's not that salty.
Okay.
And it has that sweet flavor.
Uh-huh.
So if you prefer like, like sweet flavor, and especially the keys, I
The
feel like
kids.
kids, they are gonna love it so much.
I actually kind of have that one too. Yeah.
Yeah.
I could have this all day. I could have this with beer. I'm just kidding. So this is more like a garnish. You would use it as a garnish. And this, you could use it for anything. It's much more crunchier than the flakes. Here, we're gonna do two versions of rice bowls, okay?
It's very easy, everyone, so you can follow it.
Drop
It has that
sushi,
smell.
right? Sesame oil, I think this is plenty because it's just one portion of rice. Maybe some salt as well. Gina is going to, oh yeah, look at her.
Roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it.
Hey,
Roll it, roll it, roll it.
oh, we're gonna go for two different styles, and I'm gonna put some seaweed inside here.
Inside.
Like this. And then we can roll it. Oh my god, it looks so good. Oh, that looks really, really good. Wow, okay. So I'm just gonna move it just like a little, let's roll. Da-da-da-da-da, it's time to eat.
Jenny! Yeah, I'm so ready to eat.
Me too. Let's
Okay.
do it.
Mouth, oh. How does it taste? Oh, okay, you cannot talk. Okay. Yeah, seasoned dried radish also. Oh, okay. You're so good at eating too. This one is definitely my favorite one because it's not just seasoned. It's salty, but
It's
it's
not that
very
salty.
sweet at the same time.
If you're going for something you can use in all kind of dishes, like actually you can use this as well. So like no matter what you pick, you won't really regret it because you're gonna have that extra little taste in your dish, and it's gonna give a kick to it, and it's gonna be very, very delicious.
Yeah, especially if you're into Korean food,
Right.
then these are like really
must.
necessary.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you for watching and see you next time.
Bye. Have a delicious day, you guys. Bye. Bye. Try this at home. It's really, really simple. Bye.